Hey guys, it's Mr. M, Mr. McDowell. So today we are going to make some slime using very safe ingredients for kids, okay? This is how old are you, Wilder?
Five.
5? How old are you really?
3.
You're 3, okay. This is my 3-year-old son, Wilder, and we're gonna make some slime today. So Elmer's makes a bunch of different products. I'm not backed by Elmer's or anything, but we've got a cosmic glue, and we've got a kind of a red glitter glue, okay? You can also use clear glue, and you can use it with food coloring. White glue, hold on. White glue does not work very well. It'll work, but it's not very good, okay? So don't use white glue. Clear glue with food coloring. Now, you're gonna need a couple of ingredients. You are gonna need some baking soda, and the magic ingredient is some saline solution, some contact solution, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take out the cosmic glue. Can I see this, my man? All right, can you help me squeeze this in there?
Yeah.
Squeeze it in, squeeze. Oh, that is so cool looking, isn't it? Whoa, is that not cool or what?
It's not cool.
It's not cool. I mean, is that cool or what?
I mean, it's not cool.
It's not cool?
No.
It's the coolest.
Cool.
Okay, I just used a double negative. Shouldn't have done that. I should not have done that. Okay, now,
Okay, now.
that is beautiful.
Yeah. And
So-
red.
Yep, and red. Can you take the cap off while I show everybody? So this first one here, look at that. That is beautiful. All right, the second one
Yeah.
we're gonna do, I gotta crack my soda water here.
Okay.
All right, second one, let's open it up. Will you squeeze it into the hole for me? Into the bowl? Yes.
Can you do it?
Squeeze it, squeeze it.
Yeah.
Yeah, get it in there.
Okay. That's mine.
Well, you get both of them. Okay. All right, so we got our, whoop. All right. We got our second glue in there. Nice glittery red, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do,
Blue.
we're gonna open our baking soda.
Soda.
That's probably gonna be, yeah, and he's gonna put his finger right in there, but it's harmless, okay? So we're gonna take just a little bit on the tip of our teaspoon here.
Right here.
Yep. And we're gonna put it in to each one of these. Doesn't even have to be a perfect measurement, you guys. Now, can you, do you mind grabbing him a spoon? Or grabbing me a spoon? Wilder, I want you to stir this up. Stir it. Stir it up really good. All that powder needs to be in there, okay? And while you're doing that, I'm gonna stir mine up. I'm stirring. And this isn't gonna do much, Wilder, okay? It's not gonna turn into slime yet. But it's gonna get close. All right, let me see what you got. All right, so just stir the powder into the glue. That's all you gotta do. Now, you're gonna take your saline solution, pop the cap, boo,
Blue.
and we're gonna squeeze it in. 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. All right, wild man, I want you to stir that up. And the magic will start to happen pretty much immediately. Okay. Once you start stirring, you'll see it start to clump up into a slime-like structure, okay? Look at that. It's gooey, it's ooey. We love it. This is what we're looking for. Now, wild man, what we need to do, I'm gonna, wow, this is turning out awesome. Oh, I'm gonna take this out of here like that. See what we got here? Do you see it? Smell it? Whoop! Okay, now I'm gonna roll it in my hands like this. Okay? Wait, get off the counter for a second. I'm gonna roll it in my hands. Oh, and I'm gonna stretch it and I'm gonna go, and I've got all sorts of slimy, goodness in here. Ready? You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Grab it.
Okay.
Play with it. Play with it. While you're playing with that, I'm going to get this slime out. This is the
Blue.
blue, yep. The galaxy slime here. Stirring it up. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Now this one's a little bit more messy right off the bat. So in order to get it to turn into serious slime, Wilder, play with yours. Put it in your hands. Stretch it around. So you can kind of clean off your hands by going like this, okay? All right, now it's starting to turn into slime. One thing that I've never tried before, and I want to try, we're going to, you got to stretch it. You got to play with it, okay? Go ahead, play with it. I want to take some shaving cream and put that in there. I have heard that it makes a fluffy slime, and we're going to give that a try, okay? I'm going to make a fluffy, ooh, oh. Okay, this is a messy, Wilder! Sorry. Wilder, play with your slime. Don't you want to play with it? All right, so what we're going to do, nice, smash it, squeeze it. Yeah, it's okay if it sticks to you. That's part of the fun. Yeah, this is making a nice fluffy slime, okay? So that worked. I like that shaving cream in there. What do you think, Wilder? You want to touch this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Stretch it, stretch it. Pull it like this. Okay, play with that one for a minute. Now, at the craft store, you can get these foam beads for like $1. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to open this package like this. Wow! All right, whoops-a-daisy there. Getting a little whoops-a-daisy. All right, we're going to stick this in here, and we're going to make this slime that has these little balls in it. What do you think? You want to play with that one? Do all of them? That's all on the counter?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoops-a-daisy. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. So if you really want to make a mess, get some foam balls. And if you want to make even more of a mess, get some glitter and throw that in there, which we're not going to do. We don't have any glitter today. But if you just want to make basic slime, clear Elmer's glue with food coloring is awesome. You can teach your kids about what colors, if you were to mix blue and yellow, you can make green. Blue and purple, you can make, or blue and red, you can make purple. Red and yellow, you can make orange. So you can teach them about mixing colors with the different food coloring and clear glue. But this is really cool. Look at these foam balls in here. I love that. What do you think? What do you think, Wild Man? You like the foam balls? Try the foam balls. Try this one. What do you think? Stretch it, pull it. And here's the cosmic one. So with this one, I'd probably add some glitter to this to make it even cooler. But I did use the shaving cream, so it's got kind of a really neat, soft, fluffy feeling to it. All right, so thank you for stopping by. Wilder, can you say goodbye to everybody on the camera up here? Look at this. Thank you for making slime with us today. This is a super easy, non-toxic way to make slime with your kids, okay? Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Whoa!
Bye-bye.